Hi everyone, hope you all are doing amazing. So today I'm going to do my kind of one of the most requested videos. So I get this request a lot. A lot of you guys are interested in knowing what products I've been using on my hair and if they have actually helped with hair regrowth and strengthening and how my hair has been behaving lately. I thought since I washed my hair today, this is the right time to talk about hair care and the products that have actually worked on strengthening my hair. And then I have few tips that are really good if you are looking for ideas to get life of your hair back, to strengthen them, to make them healthy. So without wasting much time, let's just get right into the video. So let's talk about pre-shampoo care that I do. So I have been using Earth Rhythm, Fenugreek, Tamarind Fruit and Shekakai Strengthening and Nourishing Hair Serum. So this is a strengthening and nourishing hair serum by the Earth Rhythm, one of my favorite natural no poo brand. And I have been using this hair serum for almost 1.5 months now. And I really love this one as well. So this one, you have to use pre-shampoo. This is a serum, but it is supposed to be used on your scalp and before you shampoo your hair. So what I do, I apply this. This has a beautiful spray nozzle here. So you spray it on your scalp, divide your hair in sections and just spray it on the roots and then massage it into your scalp nicely. I do it at least 2 hours before I wash my hair. Sometimes I leave it overnight because this is a treatment and it should be left in your hair for good 4 to 5 hours. This is what I think. It actually works really well. I will show you that if you remember, I showed you that I had hair thinning issues from here, and you can see the spot here and here have reduced drastically, and this is all new growth. I was looking into the mirror the other day and I saw there were a lot of new hair that have been sprouting out. See, this is a new hair because it is too small to be a bang, and so there are so many small hair and there is so much regrowth that has happened in the past 1.5 months or so, and it actually makes your roots strong. So I have not been facing hair fall issues. I cannot really comment on how good this is going to be on your falling hair, and this hairline has become stronger. As you can see, I've just washed my hair in the morning. I've not applied heat on my hair. I'm avoiding heat since we are staying indoors. On the length, I use Juicy Chemistry Sacha Inchi Argan and Mango Butter. This is an organic hair mask, and this is again a pre-shampoo hair mask. I use the Earth Rhythm Fenugreek serum on the roots and this on the lengths, and I leave these for good 2 to 6 hours, or sometimes I leave both of them overnight. Totally depends on my hair. And I have been using these two for a really long time. If you guys are following me on Instagram, you might have already seen me using these in my lot of stories. I post a lot of stories there. So if you're not following my Instagram, do check it out because I do a lot of other stuff there. So I use this mask. This is very good for dry hair, dry frizzy hair. This is a pre-shampoo mask. This has no preservative. This is an organic brand. So everything here is going to be 100% organic, all the ingredients. Then when my hair is freshly washed and they are clean and they are nice, I use Indulgio Luxuriant Hair Revitalizer. So this is a hair treatment. It has rosemary, lavender, tulsi, ginger root and a lot of good stuff which promotes hair growth. If you're a long time subscriber, you might remember this one from one of my favorites. So this is a hair revitalizer. So what you're supposed to do, you are supposed to use it on your hair every day or every other day, and this has a water-like consistency. So this doesn't have oil base, so this is very light, very liquidy. I use it every night, every day, and it has worked really well. It smells so good, and it actually stimulates your scalp, and I personally really love and enjoy this stuff. This is my second bottle, and I personally believe in using hair revitalizer to maintain your hair health. So I use this one every night before going to bed, and I apply it all over my scalp. I massage it in my scalp and then I comb my hair. That's all I do. This just vanishes and dries and doesn't leave a residue. Very good stuff. If you are fine, just invest in a good hair revitalizer. This is from Indulgio, and Indulgio is again a no poo, very good Indian brand. Next, after my hair wash, I have been using sulfate, silicone and paraben free shampoos and conditioners for a really long time. I think 2.5 years or 3 years. And a lot of you guys asked me few of the brands that I would suggest or recommend that I have used and liked and I would recommend. So I personally love few brands and I always use hair care products, shampoos and conditioners from them only. Organic Harvest is one of them. This is Organic Harvest shampoo and conditioner. I have been using Organic Harvest shampoo for a really long time and they are really good. The Gentle shampoo is really good even if you wash your hair every second day. It's a really good brand. I have a pen in my hand because I have a diary here. I have noted down the names of the brands. So Rini Furtere is a brand I really love, but it's an expensive brand, but it's a really good brand if you do not mind the price. Its products are based on botanical ingredients. It's again a very good range, and this is the serum I use from them. This is from their Karite range. So Rini Furtere Karite range is meant for dry hair, and this is very hydrating, very good quality hair serum. This is not a silicone based hair serum, so you'll not get that slip, but it is very good in managing your hair. I washed my hair today morning, and after that I've applied the hair serum. It will not make your hair very smooth and like a regular silicone based serum, but it actually makes your hair very manageable. And my hair is dry, they are wavy, and I don't know, they are thick. So what I do, I just generally apply 1.5 pumps of this one. This is expensive, this is for 2200, but I've been using it for a month now and I've just finished this much because you get 100 ml and do not need more than 1.5 pumps for my length of hair. I have not blow dried my hair today, and you can see my hair is looking pretty nice and bouncy and very healthy and quite dense. I've been trying to not blow dry my hair after each wash because we are sitting at our home and we don't really have to make the hair look sleek, and no matter how less heat you use, heat is always bad for hair. So I have not used a hair straightener I think in years, and whenever I do, I generally blow dry my hair straight, but that too I have stopped doing completely. So because it's always good to take steps ahead. The second brand is going to be Earth Rhythm. I really love their 100% virgin coconut oil shampoo bar. It's a really good product if you have dry hair. Then I have Vilva goat milk shampoo. It's again a really good brand. It's again paraben free, silicone free, and their products are generally based on natural ingredients. Then you have Body Shop Rainforest. I think it's also again a silicone free hair care range and paraben free as well. And another brand is going to be Wow Skin Science. Wow has shampoos that are silicone free, sulfate free, paraben free, and ingredients are botanical, like plant based ingredients sourced directly from plants. So their shampoos and conditioners are also very good because they do not have the 3 ingredients which I avoid: silicone, sulfates and paraben. I'm not very fussy about the shampoos and conditioners I use. I just look for something which is silicone, sulfate free. The transition is going to take time because from a silicone based hair care regime you are moving to a non-silicone based hair care regime. So you will find initially that your hair is looking pretty frizzy or maybe dry, but it takes time. Give it some time and the transition will be smoother. I have few tips that I would like to share that I have been following for years now. So these tips have really helped me in a lot of ways. I'm going to share them. First is, do not wash too often. I used to wash my hair every 3rd day, but now it has extended to 5 days. And I use a dry shampoo in between if I find that my hair is looking a bit too greasy or oily. My hair type is dry. I hardly get greasy hair. After I think third or 4th day, my hair start looking limp or flat. Then I use dry shampoo. I'm using a dry shampoo from Juicy Chemistry again. So I use it. Second tip is again going to be use dry shampoo. Use dry shampoo to extend the wash time. And if you have oily hair, you can use dry shampoo every 3rd day, every 2nd day. So look for a brand that has toxin-free products like Juicy Chemistry. I only know of Juicy Chemistry's dry shampoo. I'm not sure if any other brand, any natural brand out there is making a dry shampoo. Third is go silicone free, which is really important. Silicone and sulfate free. Look for products that have silicone and sulfate free formula. It's going to work really well in the long run. You will really see an increase in volume, density, and lesser hair fall in the long run. Next, invest in a good hair care routine. For example, invest in a good hair oil, invest in a good hair mask, a good hair vitalizer, a good hair serum. If you invest in good products, you will get good results. So, which is what I think. Fifth one is massage your hair at least once a week. Give yourself some time, massage your hair nicely for good 5 to 10 minutes after you have applied hair oil. because massaging will stimulate blood circulation, increase the blood circulation. It will help your hair products to penetrate better into your scalp, which is really important. And sixth step is going to be deep condition once a week. Use a deep conditioning hair mask once a week. I use hair mask from Wow Body Shop. At the moment I'm using these two brands, and Body Shop's shea butter hair mask is really good, and so is Wow Skin Science hair mask. These are again silicone free hair mask. So I apply hair mask instead of conditioner once a week, and it just deeply nourishes and hydrates my hair. I think combing your hair is really important. I comb at least twice or thrice during the day my hair. I comb when I wake up in the morning, I comb in the daytime, and either I comb again before going to bed. I think combing is really important because combing again stimulates your scalp, and it is really good for blood circulation, and it also untangles your hair, detangles your hair, and it also spreads the hair oil, the natural hair oil which your scalp secretes, to the hair length, which is very important. Then eighth is avoid chemical treatments if you can, as much as, because no matter how expensive the treatment is, it is going to damage your hair in one or the other way. In fact, I'm trying to find out an alternative to the regular hair colors. I'll let you guys know if I find any alternative, because I think hair colors are really damaging for your hair. Ninth tip is going to be trim your hair. Trim your hair at least once in every 2 months or 1.5 months, every 6 weeks. Trimming is really important because you will get rid of your split ends, and it will also make your hair look really healthy and nice. 10th and the most important is watch your diet. Look at what you are eating. Intake of protein is really important. If you can eat at least 2 eggs every day, then you have to make sure that you are eating your nuts every day. Eat dal if you do not eat egg. And if you do not eat any of these things, please ask your doctor to help you with the supplements, to take omega-3 supplement or take biotin supplement, but always ask your doctor which supplement to take, because it actually helps a lot. Protein is really important for your hair and nails, because your hair is made of protein, so it is really important, really important. It also gives you so much energy and strength, protein. So make sure you are watching your diet as well, because whatever you are eating will reflect, on your skin, on your nails, on your mental health, on your physical energy, on your hair, everywhere. It is very important. So I hope you guys would have found this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then, bye.